There are two front wheel adjusters on your lawnmower. The adjuster assembly consists of the wheel axle, the height adjustment lever, the adjustment quadrant, the drive shaft bearing, and the mounting studs. Common problems with the adjuster assembly are a bent lever or quadrant, a worn out shaft bearing, or a bent axle. The right and left side adjuster assemblies are different, so it's important that you order the correct one for your repair. Replacing the adjuster assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the left front wheel from the lawnmower. I'll prop the mower up with a 2x4 and the wheel is secured with a nut. I'll remove the large washer as well. Now remove the pinion gear. It's secured with a retaining ring. And the drive pawl. Next, I'll remove the dust cover. Now I'll prop the mower up so I have access to the underside of the deck. The adjuster is secured to the deck with 2 nuts. I'll go ahead and remove them. And I'll pull the adjuster away from the drive shaft. Now install the new left front wheel adjuster. I align the adjuster with the drive shaft and the studs with the holes in the deck. I'll secure it with the nuts. Next, I need to transfer the adjustment lever knob over to the new adjuster. I'll use a screwdriver to remove it. Now I'll reinstall the dust cover, the drive pawl, the pinion gear. Now re-secure this assembly with the retainer. I'll reinstall the large washer and the wheel and secure the wheel with the nut. And that's how you can install a new wheel adjuster on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.